One day, I was wandering about the eastern coast of Madagascar. I wanted to find the lion, the hippo, the giraffe, and the zebra, but instead, I stumbled across a small shadow. It said to me, "Have you seen that BuzzFeed article about the 25 ugliest animals in the world? You won't believe number 17. And I said, "Yeah, man." And then the shadow said, "I was the number 17 they were talking about." "Were you?" "Aye, aye." And then the creature lunged at me. I later found out that creature's name was the Eye. This creature, also known as the Daubentonia madagascariensis, is the Eye. You can tell from its name that it is from Madagascar. To find this animal in the giant taxonomy tree of life, you start with the kingdom Animalia. We're in this group, so are bears and birds and our beloved Eye. But we must go deeper. You take a step down and you'll have chordata, which are vertebrate animals. They also have bilateral symmetry and segmented bodies. If we go down the ladder to Mammalia, we see some similarities between these animals. First of all, they all have fur. Most of them are even covered in it, just like your mom. They must also produce milk, and they must have the ossicles. Step down and now we're at the order, which is primate. These cheeky lads have short snouts, the fibula bone in the back of their legs, and have a big brain case. Now, this is where things get interesting. The Eye is the only alive species of the family Daubentonidae and the genus Daubentonia. But less than 1,000 years ago, it is known that there was a species called Daubentonia robusta, also known as the giant Eye. The giant Eye shares the same characteristics as the regular Eye, which includes having large, naked ears and not having a tooth comb. But the giant Eye was 2 to 2.5 times larger than a regular Eye. Eyes tend to chill in canopies inside deciduous forests and rainforests. What they eat from there tend to be seeds, leaves, grains, fruits, nectar, and sap, but they also eat insects, making them omnivores. One unique characteristic about the Eye is its bony and slender middle finger. They use it to tap into trunks in hopes of finding a hollow space, in which then they eat the larvae inside. They also use their large ears to listen for prey. In terms of reproduction, between October and February, female Eyes mate with more than one male and tend to have offspring every 2 to 3 years. In conclusion, no matter how weird a creature looks, it can still be a lovable animal with unique characteristics that help it survive and adapt to its environment. Although its fingers and face look weird, it helps the species be well suited in its habitat. So, if I ask you, have you learned anything today? You should all say, aye aye.